January is here and I can't believe it just as much as you can. For me, 2021 went super fast. It was one of the best years of my life as I implemented lots of different new things and helped myself on a journey to awake my inner self. I know my soul better than I've ever known it before, and I'm here to help you over the next 31 days awaken your inner self and create your most beautiful life. January is a time of inward reflection. We've spent December with family and friends. Now we sit with January in front of us, a whole new year, and often the mark of a whole new chapter in our lives. Yes, January is often seen as the worst month for most people. I personally think we are forgetting that we all need downtime, to look inwards, to work on our shadow selves, and to plan for the year ahead. While I don't believe we should start a complete fresh every year, I think January is a great time to build habits. Building habits is hard for anyone at any time, especially if you keep looking at January as negative. Trying to change everything at once is always going to be a recipe for failure, and therefore another reason to doubt yourself. Instead, over the next 30 days, I'll be sharing alongside some other incredible humans how to raise our vibration, collectively as a whole, and for you individually. We're going to make small changes that have a huge impact on your life and potentially the rest of your life. I'm only sharing things that I fully embody in my life. You'll see me living these things every single day over on Instagram and here on YouTube. I'll take you through the moon cycles, food, movement, simple everyday ways to practice gratitude, mindset tools. We'll look at your word of the year, card readings, creating a vision board, alongside a heap of other topics over the next 30 days. We will finish January with a plan for keeping this momentum going across the whole year. Here on YouTube, there'll be the long format videos on the topics where we deep dive. On Instagram and TikTok, yes, I'm now on TikTok, I'll do short mini versions so you don't have time to watch everything. Then you can pick the ones that you resonate the most with and come here and watch the full version. I'm going on this journey with you. As I said, everything here I completely embody, but life gets in the way sometimes. We have huge changes planned for 2022. As you may already know if you've watched our previous videos, these changes started back in 2021, but they are still building momentum and I am still here today sharing it with you. While I carry on learning, growing, evolving, I want to take you on that journey too, so we can all create our most beautiful lives. Finally, at the end of the month, you'll have an opportunity to join our membership platform to continue your learning alongside me and some incredible other people. For now, I'm going to leave you with some January energy. To start the year off, we're going to do a quick visualization, meditation. You can do this at any time and you can keep coming back to it if it works for you. I want you to start by finding a comfy spot somewhere. Close your eyes and we're going to just start by taking one huge deep breath inwards. Fill your lungs completely, all the way down to your tummy. And then we're going to breathe it all the way out, just taking out any negativity, losing all the things that you want to lose from 2021, just breathing it all out. And then we're going to do that once more, so all the way in. And all the way back out again. And just let your breathing return to normal. And you're going to count your breaths. So you go 1 on the in-breath, 2 on the out-breath, up until 10. And then you'll start again back at 1. Today we're going to look at a visualization of how we want our lives to look at the end of the year. I want you to think about where you are living. What does your house look like? Where is it located in the world? Visualize it as if it's happening. You're playing your day out in real time. Imagine yourself in bed in this place. Maybe it's where you are now, maybe it's a new place. Think about the time that you're waking up, what you're doing, how you're waking up, who you're with. This day could be in the summer, it could be in the winter, whatever works for you. So then I want you to get out of bed and think about the first thing that you're going to do this morning. What does your ideal morning look like? Maybe you're going for a run, maybe you're having breakfast with friends. Literally play the day out, exactly what you want to do and how you want to do it. Think about where you're going to go, who you're going to be with, what you can see around you. Maybe it's a place you've never even been before. Maybe it's a familiar place that you see every day. Maybe you're heading into work. Maybe it's a weekend and you're heading out somewhere. Maybe you don't have a 9-to-5 job. Maybe you're just heading into a workspace, or maybe you're just setting your day up for working from home. Whatever works for you. So now you have got up, you've got dressed, you've decided what you're doing with your day. We're going to think about what food we're eating. So what are we having for breakfast? And then what are we doing after breakfast? Make a note of where you want to fit your movement into the day. Maybe you've already done it. Maybe it's happening later on in the day. And we're going to think about late morning into the lunchtime period. What are you doing? Who are you with? Where are you sitting? What does your workspace look like? Maybe your workspace is out in the world, maybe your workspace is at home, maybe your workspace is an office, maybe you're working with people. Whatever your ideal day would be. Maybe it's a weekend and you're not going to work at all. What does your late morning, lunchtime look like? What are you having for lunch? Where are you having lunch? can you see and smell and feel around you? And then we're going to go into the afternoon, after lunch. What are you doing in the afternoon? Who are you with? Where are you? Maybe you're going sea swimming or skiing, or maybe you're having family and friends over. Maybe you're having the time for yourself. Maybe you're doing some yoga. Maybe you're teaching a class. Whatever is perfect, the ideal day for you. And then we start thinking about the late afternoon, evening time. Maybe you're picking children up from school, maybe you're getting them dinner, maybe you don't have children, maybe you're running solo, maybe you're with a partner, maybe you're with friends. Maybe all of them. What does your evening look like? Where are you having dinner? What are you having for dinner? Where did you get your movement in today? What does it look like where you are? What does your house look like? Are you at home? Are you in a hotel? Are you away? And we're going to think about closing the day off and how we feel. How has this day felt to you? Have you felt happy? Have you felt busy? Have you felt relaxed? Has it been slow and simple? What has your ideal day felt like to your nervous system? What have the people that you've been with felt like to your nervous system? How do you feel in yourself? How do you feel about your emotions? How do you feel about life in general? Really attach a feeling to all of these things, and just a general feeling of how the day has left you. Excited, happy. And then just imagine going back into your bed with whoever you're with, or maybe you're by yourself. And just think about feeling content. One of those days where you just feel so content that the day has gone exactly how you wanted it to go. And just close your eyes and you get ready for the next day. So now I want you to just start coming back into the here and now, wiggling your fingers and your toes, blinking your eyes open when you're ready. I'd recommend going and getting your journal out and writing this day out. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for the new moon workshop.